Hey everyone, welcome home to Safe Haven. It's Brittany. So in today's video, I have a home that I want to show you guys that's priced for 16.5 million Jamaican dollars. It's a 3-bedroom house and I think it's a really great deal. So let's jump right into the video. Alright, so as said before, this townhouse is priced at 16.5 million Jamaican dollars and it's located at Ivy Green Crescent, Kingston 4. Now this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom townhouse and it's up for sale. It's gonna need some renovations, but it's not in the worst condition, so I had to come and show you guys. So the area where this townhouse is located, it's like off not Constant Spring Road, but Halfway Tree Road, close to the Constant Spring area. Just a turn off from where the Burger King is, and that's where this one is located. So as you can see, it's a 2-story townhouse, and the living room area, it's a decent sized house. All right, so you have your staircase here that will take you upstairs, and I believe upstairs would have, you know, like your bedrooms and everything else that you'd need. So here's the kitchen. The kitchen will definitely need some work. You do have some cabinetry going here, but you're going to need to do some renovations all throughout the house, which is why I believe it is priced, you know, at 16.5 million at such a, we can say affordable, even though you guys love bash me for say affordable, but for Kingston we know that is on the lower end of pricing, especially for a townhouse being 3 bedrooms. So the bedrooms look like this. They don't show all the bedrooms, but they do have closets. And then this is the bathroom. The bathroom is not in terrible shape either, from what I can see. This is just one, and as you can see, it is a gated community, and it seems to be quite, you know, private community area. Green areas, not so bad. So this is again Ivy Green Crescent in the Kingston 4 area. Now for the area, I think it's an okay area. Crossroads area, it's not bad, you know. You're going to be close to a lot of schools, shopping malls, plazas, anything you'll possibly really need, right? So here's the living area again, and as you can see, there's space for dining. And with these homes, you guys, it's a lot has to do with how you furnish the home. All right, so here I'm kind of seeing like 3 larger sofas. You know, if you get rid of those 2 other sofas, you'd free up a lot of space in the home. It's a lot to do with how things are outlined, how they are spaced, even sometimes even the color of the paint that you use. And so don't limit yourself when you see an opportunity like this. It just comes down to how things are staged, how you can, you know, renovate it, how you can fix it, how you can make it look as open as possible. All right, so as I said, renovations definitely have to be done, but it's not in the most terrible shape. Like, I've shown you homes in worse shapes than this, and they have, you know, they've gone off of the market like when I check on it. All right, so if you're interested in this one, as you guys know, I always leave the link to the realtor in the description box below, so you'll click that link. The description box is right below the title of the video, so you click that link, and sometimes their numbers come up, sometimes you have to send them a message through the website. So here's this one, Ivy Green Crescent, Kingston 4, 16.5 million Jamaican dollars. Alright, so that's it for today's video, you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell. You guys, the Denby vlog is coming on Sunday, and it's such a good one. It's a long one, but it's informative, it's entertaining, it's really good. So I'm excited for that. So make sure you watch that video on Sunday when I post it. Follow me on all socials at Safe Haven, and until my next video, you guys, bye.